can see all the organic ingredients have been added to the pot, and about 5 liters of water is already added. You can see them here. See, all of them are here. You can see them. This one, you need to remove it from the rubber. Remove this one from the rubber here, because the almond is here. So you are highly welcome to another interesting topic. Best organic remedy for poultry coccidiosis. How to cure coccidiosis organically in 3 days. Shocking benefits of onions, aloe vera, garlic combo in poultry farming. Coccidiosis is one of the deadliest poultry disease affecting farmers across the globe, especially in the tropics and subtropical regions, caused by protozoa parasites from the genus Emeria. Its primary effects is that it affects the intestinal tract of the chickens and other poultry, leading to reduced growth, low productivity, and high mortality rate. While many farmers rely on synthetic drugs, frequent usage has led to resistance, high costs, and chemical residues in meat and eggs. Thankful to nature, which has given us powerful organic remedies, red onions, aloe vera, garlic, ginger, bitter leaf, and scent leaf, which are not only effective but also safe, affordable, and readily available. In this particular video, I will show you how we cure coccidiosis organically in just 3 days using all these herbs I just mentioned now. Using a powerful combination of all these medicinal plants I just mentioned to you now, you can get rid of coccidiosis from your poultry house and for your poultry farm entirely without spending any money. All these are mentioned for you here are within your kitchen. You can see them within your kitchen. You don't need to buy them. Causes of coccidiosis in poultry. Let me give you the causes so that you'll be able to guide yourself against them. If you can protect your poultry from coccidiosis, you can do that. Causes: 1, sanitation. If you have poor sanitation in your poultry house, you are saying, I welcome you, coccidiosis. Wet litter or damp environment, overcrowding of birds, contaminated feed and water, stress due to poor ventilation and extreme weather, infected equipment or tools in your poultry farm, introduction of infected birds into the flock. Those of you that buy poultry birds from different suppliers, you always encounter this, because when you buy from supplier A, from hatchery A, and they arrive, and if that particular bird have coccidiosis already, you bring in the new flock that doesn't have coccidiosis, it is automatically this new one will contact coccidiosis. That's what it means, because it is transferable. What are the symptoms of coccidiosis? Bloody or watery droppings, loss of appetite, dropping wings and weakness, ruffled feathers, rapid weight loss, dehydration, huddling or isolation from the rest of the flock. Most of the times you see them going to one corner to go and rest, and their wing will just fall as if nothing is holding, as if there is no bone holding the wing. These are some of the signs. Sudden death in severe cases. Most especially once they start dropping reddish color, they are almost gone. So you hardly resuscitate them in that stage. So if you notice all these signs, you know that you have coccidiosis in your poultry house. What are the medicinal properties of these ingredients, these herbs I just mentioned, in taking care of coccidiosis and maximizing your potentials and profit in poultry farming? 1 I mentioned is red onions. Red onions contains quercetin. Quercetin is a strong antioxidant that reduces intestinal inflammations. It contains natural antimicrobial and antiparasitic activities. It helps to cleanse the gut and stop bleeding in the intestine wall of the poultry and livestock animals. Secondly, aloe vera. Aloe vera is a powerful antiparasite and immune booster. It soothes the gut lining and promotes faster healing of lyosins. It helps in detoxifying the body and improving the digestion in poultry livestock. Another one is garlic, as I mentioned. Garlic contains allicin. Allicin is a potent natural antibiotic and antifungal properties. It boosts immune response and prevents secondary infections in poultry. It helps to kill protozoa responsible for coccidiosis. Another one is ginger. Ginger has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It improves appetite, digestion, and gut motility. It helps birds recover fast by energizing the system. Another one is bitter leaf, Vennonia amygdalina. It is rich in alkaloid and flavonoid, excellent for parasite elimination. It detoxifies blood and enhances liver health. It reduces internal bleeding and inflammations. Another one is scent leaf, Ocimum gratissimum. It has antibacterial and antiprotozoal. It boosts birds' immunity and reduces internal parasites. It soothes the health of a poultry bird and supports respiratory health and improves overall vitality. All these plants I mentioned now, how do you make use of them? Gather all these plants. If you have digital scale, you can measure them. If you don't have, handful of each of them. Garlic, maybe about 20, depending on the number of birds you have. Garlic, about 20 pieces of garlic. Ginger, 20 pieces, 2 pieces of big ginger. It's okay. Then you have 3 stems of aloe vera. It's okay, depending on the size. Then handful of scent leaf and bitter leaf. It's okay. 2 pieces of small onions is good for you to go. Cut them into smaller pieces, or you can pound them. After pounding them, put them inside a very clean pot. Add 5 liters of water. Boil them up to 20 to 30 minutes. After boiling, drop it and allow it to cool. After cooling, the next thing you do is extract the juice. You can watch it on the screen how we are doing it here. Extract the juice, filter it completely, remove the waste and allow the water. Store the water in a cool place. Take 5 liters of water for 10 liters of drinkers. Add extra 5 liters of water to it. Feed your poultry birds 3 to 5 days. Within 5 days, every sign of coccidiosis is gone. Other parasites is gone. Other protozoa is gone. When combined in the right proportion and administered properly, this blend of onions, aloe vera, garlic, ginger, bitter leaf, and scent leaf can serve as a powerful organic cure for coccidiosis within just 3 days. Not only does this natural remedy help eliminate the protozoa causing the disease, but it also boosts the bird's immune system, promotes gut healing, and restores appetite without harmful side effects or chemical residue in the poultry or in the egg meat. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Keep your poultry house very clean, dry, and well ventilated always. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video to reach more poultry farmers. For more organic tips and for more natural poultry farming. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Do well also to subscribe to our channel memberships. Become a member of this particular channel, not a subscriber now. We are talking about being membership, joining others that are there already. They are there, they are seated in full size, and they are always there helping us to serve you better. God will always bless them and also bless their business also, because they are the reason why I am here. So if you want to join the community of this particular, the membership of this channel, that will give you unlimited access to ask questions anytime. You have discounts in our product and services and all that benefit. Choose any of the membership group, then follow the directions of the channel and use your master or credit card, bank card, use it and join the membership. Every month you just pay a stipend of little amount of money to promote the channel. That will help us also to answer your questions and attend to your matters when need arises. Thank you for watching this video. If you still need our Eco Boil Booster, we still have them in live quantity. All these things I'm teaching you are here. You can see this is fully packaged. This is Eco Boil Booster Plus. It cures both coccidiosis, Salmonella, C. arudi, odor from your poultry house ceases immediately. Growth and health promoter. It boosts the weight of your poultry birds within a short period of time. You get to maximum weight 8 kg, 7 kg, 6 kg, 4 kg in short period of time. And your birds can live as long as you want them to live. You can sell them anytime you want. We have them in large stock now. This is by 2. You can see them. This is by 2. It is available right now. This is 55k. And we can waybill it to any of your locations. Follow the instructions. Send us message on our WhatsApp. You can see the phone on this particular screen. Just send message there. The account detail, we'll send you the account detail. Once you make payment, pay for your way bill, we'll send it to your location immediately. You get it the next day. Thank you for watching the video. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers. And make sure to subscribe to the other channel, because we are loading another video right away. Organic poultry farming. Right away in the next channel. Right now. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.